Hello everyone, I am Zeliang, the host of this episode. Today on this video, we are going to watch the life of village. So, never skip the video. Watch the video from starting to the end. And notice that the best comment will be pinned. So, try to write the best comment. So here we go. Some of the bacha are playing with the telagari. So you can look at us. They're very much interesting on playing this telagari. So the life of the village are like this. See, most of the kids are also, they are very much enjoyable. As compared to living the life of city and village, sometimes staying in the village is much enjoy because we're living with fresh environment. The purpose of living in the village is only walking, kind of walking here. Yo. हम लोग आज पहले बार पूरी बनाना जा रहा है कि whether will be possible or not, I don't know. Still then we are trying to make it. So look at us. So now it's my turn. See, ये क्या कर दिया है मैंने? अरे यार कर नहीं पाया, flop, one flop. Dude, salah. Now, right now we are going to cook. We are mixing refined oil in the korai. So this is dry meat. My sister, they are still practicing. They can able to make it round, so they are trying their level best to make it round. वही हम लोग का बस्ती में जैकफ्रूट बहुत है. We are rich in jackfruit, so we are going to pluck it out. Whether it is ripe or not, we are going to see on it. So see, I think some of the fruit is ripened. So we are going to have now. It is a ripened one. So some of the kids are very much interesting. So it is very tasty. अगर कोई खाना मन कर रहे तो आके खा लीजिए. ऑफर मिल रहा है हम लोग का बस्ती पे. In my village we are rich in most of the fruit like mango, jackfruit, pineapples and betel nuts. We are very much rich in it. So if you want to order, you can order through contact. You can just go on the description. You will find my Facebook and Instagram link so that you can go on it and you can contact on it so that I can give you some of the fruit. See, here is a tree of the jackfruit. You can see it. It is very interesting, and some of the trees bearing a lot of fruit on the tree. Our villagers are fed up of this jackfruit because we have a lot of jackfruit in our village. So if you want, you can come and get it. So Right now I'm going to show you the tree of the betel nut. So we are rich in betel nut too. Per 3 pair above 1000 bearing the fruits. So if you want, you can come and get, but you need to pay some money. Okay, it is not a free one. So it is a beautiful evening. I'm just going to show you a beautiful scenery of my village. As I said, we are rich in betel nut, so you can see the plantation of the betel nut. Oh, let's come to meat. So its season has been arrived, so we are going to make it dry on it so that we could able to have it. The life of village are very much interesting if we are fully enjoy on the situations of the village. So some of may like to have it. And here, let's go to the plum. We have made achar. Some of the plum has been plucked, and we have made achar. Only salt and chili were mixed on the achar. So I'm going to show how the taste of it. Yo, it's very sour, man. We are rich in pineapple too. See. It's about to arrive. My village is for free, no, we don't need to worry. We can get it anytime. The village may not be so beautiful, still then the environment of this village is very good. Fresh. So what are you doing? Ah, whose vehicle is this? So below. So Krodo. Krodo. Ya, sanggup kah tu? Sanggup kah tu? So it's around 5:30. Life of village are like this. Most of the boys are playing in the field. Who are going to Zoom, they are returning from the Zoom, so they are carrying firewood, vegetable and so on. They are staring at me, they are looking at me. Some of them are very much interesting, playing football. कोई भी खेलना पड़ता है ऐसा लड़का, प्रैक्टिस करना जरूरी है. But as we all know, game rule of the village are very much different. If more goal, you will be the winner, because there is no limit, no time at all. So for today we are going to stop from here. Okay, thank you so much for watching our videos. If you like the video, please do like and do not forget to subscribe our channel in order to grow our channel. Oh yes, some of the kids are disturbing me, so sorry to say. Tại Petra iglo này mình ngô là như vậy. Comment in the comment section, give suggest what kind of video I need to make in the next video. So see you again in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, Zay.